I forgot to start the recording. All right, so what we're doing is we're running this. We just started this a little bit late. Here are the trades that I put on every single day, and you can stop these and screenshot them if you want. These are the trades for this week. We've done a $30,000 account where we've made 2,700 trades, as you can see here, and these 2,700 trades, boink. So 15,000 trades made 400,000, $1 million account, and a $30,000 account. Since 5 months, we've made $13,000, 2,700 trades. And these are the trades in the small account that we're doing this week. And here are the trades we're doing in the big account this week. We should be test. We got sound? I think we do. Sorry about that, folks. It should be sound now. It should be good sound. Should be good sound. Hopefully you can hear me now. Hopefully you can hear me now. Can you hear me now? Everybody good? How about now? Now. Yep, there it is. Beautiful. All right. Sorry about that. Right when you think you got everything fixed, turns out you don't. So we'll work on that. I was making some adjustments. That's on me. So, okay, it looks like right now we're going to do a call credit spread at 1551. It is now 1546. So we've got a few more minutes. I'm going to end the poll here shortly. Anybody who wants to come on into the chat room and tell me whether or not I should do 3 call credit spreads or 3 put credit spreads, now is the time to vote. Wow, it is right at 50-50. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That is so funny. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. It is 50-50. I don't know what to do. Somebody's got to break that. Somebody who hasn't voted yet, come on into the chat room and vote. This is your chance to spend $1,200 of my money. This is your chance to spend $1,200 of my money. I made $5,000 earlier today selling Crazy Ivans. Come on in and tell me what you want to do. I'm waiting for the next person to break the tie, and that's going to be it. I'm waiting for one person to come in and break the tie. Iron Condor. Who keeps voting for Iron Condor? Iron Condor, is that really what you guys want to do? That's not going to be no fun. We're going to win one, lose one. That's not going to be any fun. I don't want to do that. Come on, man. Somebody get in here and vote. One more time. I need one more vote. You only get to vote once. There's got to be somebody in here who can vote one more time. One more person. Come on, somebody vote. Just one. That's all I'm waiting for, man. I see calls. I see puts. Somebody's got to come. Try and vote twice if you want. I've never done one of these before. I don't think they do that. I don't think. There are more people coming in. Call credit spreads. Oh my gosh. And boom, there's the end of the poll. What happened? It turned out to be 52, 48, 33 votes. What the heck? Let's put in both. Should we live a little? No, you know what? We got to stick to the rules. All right. So these are the trades. What do we end up saying? We're going to do a put credit spread. Okay. So we're going to do a put credit spread. Here it is in Options Omega. Here's how you do it. I'm going to go, this isn't so good. We're going to rock it in this baby at 1551. What time is it? It's not that time yet. It's just about time, right? Let me see. The time is 3:49. So we got a few more minutes to go. There's the trades for people that I just started this recording a little bit late. So if you don't know, the first column is the premium for the short legs. Then the multiple entry iron condor exponential moving average is the second column. The third column is the stop loss. The fourth column is the wing width. And the fifth column is the time. The next one is the profit target. There's the time slot again. This is for people with a $1 million buying power account or more. I'm putting in about $1.4 million worth of buying power per trading day in 0DT SPX in that particular account. It's up about $400,000 in 5 months, October, November, December, January, February. Yeah, 5 months. And then in the small account, we're going to be doing in 30,000 buying power account. It's up 13,000. So it's got 43,000 in it. And again, entry time, the strategy is the premium. It's a 225, then M multiple entry iron condor. 95 is the stop loss, and 50 is the wing width. And then here it is by time. So you can see it by time. Okay. And then here is the chart, just so you can see how the $30,000 account has done. And here's the chart. You can see how the $1 million account has done. 15,000. Is that what it is? 15,000 trades in the $1 million account in 5 months. So 3,000 per month. And we're trading, about 20, 22 days. So I don't know. It's a lot of trades, right? And then 2,700 trades for the $30,000 account. Okay. So here we go. We're getting ready to do this. The ACT balances show net after commissions and fee. Yes, all those, when you were looking at those accounts, that's after commissions, fees, and slippage. So that's real money that came into my account. I actually end up getting a little bit more because my commissions are a little bit better than most people. But yeah, that's the way I set it up is what you would expect to get in your account. That's the way I set it up. All right, so let's take a look. Now, what's going to happen is that this is going to put the trade on. Oh, it's 1551. Here we go. Ready? Okay, so we're going to go in here, right? Here we go. We're going to go up here to Rocket. We're going to say, Rocket, let's put this trade on, and boom. Now we're going to go over to Tasty Trade. Boom. Did you hear that? Listen to that. Boom. There it is. And there's our trade. We just got filled. All three of these bad boys just got filled. We got it filled at a 275. Wow. $1.50 and $1.60. All those trades went on at the same time, but yet look at the difference. Instantaneously, it changed. It would have been nice to get a nice fill at all that, right? 68. Oh, no, because 68, 65. And they're all on the put side. Hopefully I did the right side. I did. Oh, no. Credits, put spreads. That's what we wanted. So we did puts. Okay, good. So wait a minute. What's that? Oh, we just got punched out. Are you kidding me? We just got punched out of one. You got to be kidding me. Who in the right mind told me to get into this mess? Who told me? It's okay. All right, 68, 65. What got punched out? 6805s got punched out. What were those all about? 6805. Wait a minute. What? 6805. What in the world? That doesn't make sense to me. All right. We wanted calls. All right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look and see where we got. So we got 6865s. Look at that. Of course, we did to the put side and boom, down it goes. So 6865s. That doesn't make any sense. You know what? I'm reading it wrong. This is 227. See, this is what I want. I want the only one. Oh, it only put on one? Today is what? The second? The third. Oh, it only put on one we already lost. Wait a minute. What? It did 3 of them. Yeah, we already lost. Oh, well, that's a bummer. That wasn't so exciting. I didn't have time to put it on the board. So this was the problem. I was looking at the wrong day. So this didn't even go. So we didn't even get much action here. We put it on at 1551, and look at that. We got punched out just a few seconds. We were in it for about 10 seconds, and we lost. Let's see. So we lost $660, and we got paid a little bit less than that, right? So we got 160 here, and we lost 320 here. So somebody do the math for me. Is that $160 times 3? So we lost $440. What are you going to do? You know, you can't win them all. If you could win them all, everybody would do it. That's what happens. So I'll pay to watch this madness. How much fun is this, huh? How much fun is this? I really, you know what? I'm dying to put on a call right now. I'm dying to. Somebody hold me back. I'm dying to put on a call. I put on a call now, I'll probably get punched out to the upside. So let's just take a look at, before we even got a chance to put it on, or nothing, man, or nothing. Hey, let's see if we can sell these longs, right? Let's see if we can't sell these longs and get some money back. We're probably not going to be able to. We can see if we can't sell them. We'll put it in order to sell them. If we put it in an order to sell them, look, we'll make $15 or something like that. So boom, there's an order to sell them. I don't think we'll get filled, but there's a working order. So, if it drops precipitously, we might get a fill. But that is, what are you going to do? I got to tell you, though, that was pretty fun. I kind of like that. Look at this. Now it's going up. And you know what? If I would have put on the calls, then I would have gotten busted out both ways. And that's why we don't do it that way. Learn from the losers. That's right. Oh, a lot of learning going on today. Chat room, a lot of learning going on today. So what was the number? It was 68. So it was 68.05. What was happening was I was looking at the other day, right? I was looking at this one saying, what in the world is this? And it was 1351. No, excuse me. I was looking at this one, which was 352, but it was yesterday, right? I didn't think we traded yesterday. Did we trade yesterday? I guess we did. I did a little bit. Oh, yes. Yeah, we did. We did one of them yesterday. That's right. I picked one yesterday. So I won yesterday, right? It did not win today. All right, let's take a look at the chat room. I have not looked at it. How do you pick 6 trades? Okay, so how do I pick 6 trades on the small account among so many other good trades? What's the parameter you look for? As you said, it's not P&L. No, it's not P&L. What I do is I look at, and AI does it for us, actually. We look at the compound annual growth rate, not just the profit and loss, but the compound annual growth rate versus the max drawdown. That gives you what's called the MAR ratio. And basically it's a risk reward ratio is what it is. And that's pretty influential. I want to make sure there's no bunching, no grouping, that kind of thing. And so what we'll do is when we're looking at those, we don't like to see a bunch of groupings on those. Let's take a look. So as you can see here, it's not a bunch of groupings. We want stuff that's a little bit separated by time. Let's see. Here we go. It's got some grouping, but I wouldn't want to have 5 of them all, at one time. So it's not necessarily just the MAR. It's also some risk tolerance. And so those are the types of things. It's not all just robotic numbers selection. There is some human being, and I'm the human being. And, with any programmer will tell you, it's always good. It's always good to have human beings in the trading in any robotic process. And so, because we have intuition that is, I hate to say better, but different than AI. Okay, let's just say it's different than AI. So there, KTOS, that's got to be Tyler. KTOS. I never heard of this stuff. So let's, it's a trading show. Let's see if let's do some trading, right? So look, so the market is now going down even worse. So these ones that I could have gotten out of for 25%, I'm not going to be able to. But we still had a nice little day today, with the 5,000. I mean, we lost money today. I don't know what we're down. We're down $800 here. We're down 8,000 here. So that is, what happened to that CLS trade? Did I get out of that? No, here, CLS. We want to keep this. Oh, good. So that's actually gotten better than what it was. This CLS it was down here. This is Maria's trade. I'll swap this around like this. This is that earnings trade. And if you have never seen how to get in and out of these things when you roll them. So what I did is I rolled this thing. And if you want to take a look and close this position, you'll notice that it says, if by the order chain, I'm actually lost $700. But when you look here, it says, oh, no, you've won $320. No, you haven't. You need to go over here and look at the order chain. And when you look at the order chain, it's going to show you when you actually got in. You got into this trade on January 28th at 3:43, about 17 minutes before the earnings came out. It was 280. It then came down. It challenged the 280. So I rolled it down and out. I rolled it out another 30 days and I rolled it down 30 points. I got paid $175 to that. So my total price is at $775. And right now it's trading at $14.75. So it would be a loss of $700. And if you go in here and you say that you want to close it, right? The good news is it's also going to say OC, which means order chain, and you'll know exactly what you're doing down there. And that says the same thing, 705. So that's what you want to do when it comes to when it comes to rolling, you want to be sure that you check the order chain. All right, so let's see if any of these are at 25%. I would love to close. Let's do this. We're going to put in one of these, and we'll put in, not this one, we'll put in an order to close. We're supposed to close these at 25%. That's great. Let's say 30% because I'm a little greedy. And we'll put in 30%, boom, and boom. And we'll put that out there. And then what other positions have we got? This is a trading show. Let's do some trading. This thing's never going to fill. I tried to get $270, only paying $180. We'll cancel that order. Here, $285, and they're only offering $181. We'll cancel that order. And we've got 30 seconds before the market closes. I wanted $300. They're not going to give me $100. They're only offering $181. They'll never give me $300. They're silly to have that on there. It's $269. They're only offering $162. We'll get rid of that one. And which one do we got here? The only ones I'm willing to pay $184. They want $201 on the one they just put down. So this one is also nuts. When it was down 600 points, it was great, right? It would have been great. And woulda, coulda, shoulda. I would have loved to have gotten some more. I only got, I think, 5 today. So it would have been nice to get some more crazy Ivans. And there's our bell. Thank you very much for coming. I had a lot of fun today. So let's see. I'd pay to watch this. Once you're a buyer, you're a seller. Jim Simmons won them all. Yeah, I came here to watch someone lose $1,200, and I only lost 600. Sorry, man. Learn more from the losers, right? Zero bid. I've heard a lot. I've learned a lot. Oh, good. You're trading zero DTE tomorrow. I don't know. I'm leaning towards yes. Maria's leaning towards no, so that means probably no. Have we lost $1,200 yet? No, we lost 600. Don't touch it. Oh, you guys, the married guys, you've heard that before. Yes, he stopped out. I'm not the only one losing today. Thanks, Rob. No problem. The dirty dog, my 6810, is not in profit. Shoot, what I love to see, copying big whales on the option chain. Can you consider this? I can't, Maria looks at those dark pools. I don't really look at them. I look at the mathematics rather than looking at what the whales do. I'm not convinced they really know what they're doing. They have a lot of limitations that I don't have. It's like this. I'm trying to park a Mini Cooper, right, on the street. It's really easy because it's a little car. I get very nimble. They're trying to park an 18-wheeler. It's very difficult. They got to find a big parking space. It's not easy for those funds to get in, and that's why we got to get Tyler to do some scalping. I know. Don't do options. YS. Man, I got to get the math, make money. Come on. High VIX is the best for premium selling. It is, and we made good money today. You trade ES. There's nothing wrong with that with Monkey See, Monkey Do. Maria and I used to trade ES. I used to love the ES for years, 6 years ago, and then Maria showed me that I could make a lot more money in NQs, and she called it the Crazy Ivan, and that's how we got started doing the Crazy Ivan. But there's nothing wrong with ES. We just there's a little bit more, you get a little more bang for your buck on the buying power when you're doing the Qs rather than the ES. Yeah, the Qs are tech heavy, so some people don't like that. Some people love it. It's a matter of personal preference, right? So where are we here? I would just want to see if there's anything else I need to talk about. I think we're all good. This is the one that I'm trying to get out of, and here it is here too. I'm willing to pay 184. They want me to pay 203. Sometimes you get a fill right at 4 o'clock, but it doesn't look like we're going to. I enjoyed having you guys tell me what to do. I didn't enjoy getting stopped out in under a minute. That was no fun, but that's okay. Yeah, it's, when you lose, so yeah, it's some como si, como sa. So that's it for today. I will be back on it. I'll put in the, if you could, it really would help if you could subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, it would really help if you could hit the like button. That helps a lot. And if you put a comment, believe it or not, if you just put a comment in the video below, if you just say hello, it's, call, it doesn't matter, even one word, it really does help for us to get our stuff out there. We're doing all this for free, and what I'm asking you to do, I don't think is unfair. So, okay, we're not emotional traders. No, scream, thanks. And trading NQ options, right? That's what we do. M109 Rider. I trade the NQ options. That's what all these are. It's called the Crazy Ivan. If you come in tomorrow, I'll show you how I do the Crazy Ivan. If you go into our Discord, down below, there is our Discord in the comments. Or if you go to any other videos I have, our Discord is in there. It's free. Come to the Discord. I respond to almost all the things in the Discord. I respond to every single comment in the videos below. If you want to interact with me directly, the best way to do it, of course, is in the chat room, right? If you do it in the chat room, we love that. Anything else today for the chat room? And if not, then I'm going to call it a day. This has been a long one, but it has been a blast. I'll tell you, if you want to put something in the chat room, put addict. Look at it. The light is crazy, right? I don't like that at all. I'm a trading addict. I am. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so exciting for me, and it keeps me mentally sharp. I'm old, and this just keeps me so excited. So I hope you're having a great trading day. Win, lose, or draw. We love down days. It's a great day to get into the NQ options. Anything else, you do respond to all of us. If there's anything else, I want you guys to put it down below. We're going to do it again at 3:25. We're going to get them again tomorrow. We're going to get in, and we're going to take a little Mini Cooper. And you know what I'm going to do tomorrow? I'm going to let you pick again, right? I'm going to let you guys need to do a better job tomorrow, okay? Come on, man. No, it's okay. Don't worry. And whatever you do, don't obsess about it. It's fine. I'm fine either way. Not a problem. Let's go to the big picture. I like to look at pictures of Maria. So there we go. All right, there it is, 16:04. We're going to call this a day. Thank you guys very much. I will see you tomorrow.